Hey everyone, I'm Joel Furnett, and if you're feeling a bit nervous about AI snapping up jobs like a kid in a candy store, then you're in the right place. My latest book, The AI Takeover Survival Guide, is not just another guide about AI. Oh no, this is your secret weapon. This book is your witty, slightly sarcastic, but totally practical roadmap to thriving in a world where AI is advancing faster than my caffeine habit. Now, here's the deal. I'm not here to tell you to panic about robots or to start prepping your resume for that professional dinosaur job opening. Instead, I'm here to show you how to make AI work for you. Think of AI not as your job stealing nemesis, but as your brilliant, slightly overqualified assistant. I mean, why not put it to work? In the book, we cover everything from the basics of automating boring tasks, like scheduling and note taking, to more advanced techniques like building your own little AI minions to handle repetitive tasks. You'll be the genius calling the shots. AI will be doing the heavy lifting. And if you're wondering who this book is for, here's the short answer. Anyone who wants to stay relevant. Whether you're a project manager, a business analyst, a manager, or just a really organized human who likes staying employed, this book has tools and tricks that will change the way you work. And it's got a healthy dose of humor because, hey, what's life without a little sarcasm? This is a guide that's lighthearted but packed with real, actionable insights. AI shouldn't replace us. It should be enhancing our work, making our lives easier, and freeing us up to focus on the stuff that matters. So, if you're ready to stop worrying about AI taking over your job and start leveraging it to become an absolute work-life ninja, grab a copy of the AI Takeover Survival Guide, second edition. Remember, AI isn't here to take your job, unless you let it, so why not make it your best assistant instead? Get your copy today and let's show AI who's really in charge here. Spoiler, it's you.